In Tekmetric, up top, we have a global search bar. Now, this is a really intuitive way just to search for a customer, because you could plug in a phone number, a license plate. You could plug in even the year, make of the car. So it's a real quick way. And I can type in Honda, and it's going to find all the latest and greatest Hondas that I've worked on. So you can jump into it really quickly. So in the customer section, say you do see a license plate. Well, if you click into that customer, it will take you to this customer section. So here, if you jump into a customer card, maybe even before the customer walks through the door, you can see phone numbers, addresses, you can see special notes. So, I mean, all these notes, you can prepare yourself for a customer that you may know or maybe don't, so you won't have any of them. You also have something called lifetime stats. Now, this is where it gets real important, because if this customer came in and I can see that this guy showed up 201 times and spent over $250,000 with us, well, this guy's a VIP, right? Right here, this is a good indicator to roll out the red carpet or the carpet with sequins on it, whatever, pop the champagne. And you can really tailor to this customer, because this is a triple star person here. So this is just one of the tools. Now, within a repair order, if we jump into one of his past ones, we can break it down. So within a repair order, you also have your lifetime stats. So while you're creating and posting or closing tickets, this will start calculating. And not only this, you also within this software have the Carfax report. So even if you've never met this customer, as long as you get the VIN number, here you can see if they're actually taking care of their car. So I used to use Carfax as a technician, because I would look at the Carfax, and if I saw like, hey, they're doing a service every 5,000 miles, looks like they're taking care of their car. Well, more than likely, if I recommend something, more than likely this customer is going to do it. And this is another way to gauge maybe a new customer, opposed to someone who's been there before and you know the characteristics and you know how the chips are going to land with that customer, more than likely. So this is just another tool. Now, within the customer section, you also have, the notes that you can put in there. And then you can also, you can have a variety of information just within the customer section. So that's a way that you can decide, this customer's been here 10 times and he's only spent $50. Well, something's going on. He's only buying one wiper at a time. So more than likely, he's probably not going to buy a service. We're not going to want to market to that guy, and so on. So that's a real big part of that. And now, as trying to get customers to figure out who's in the priority. So as far as trying to figure out which customer needs to go out first, which one needs more hand-holding and things like that, that would definitely be your customer section. So within a repair order, you have that information bar to the right, and there you can put any kind of notes